Hey, my bona fide peeps, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to make money by starting your own house cleaning service, you're in the right place. With over 17 years of experience in the cleaning business and running my own successful business, I'm here to share everything I've learned about how to turn your cleaning skills into a profitable income. Whether you're just getting started, looking to find more clients, or ready to scale your business, I've got tips, tricks, and strategies that can help you succeed. So if you're ready to make money while keeping home spotless, hit that subscribe button and let's get started.
Many would say starting a residential cleaning business is easy, and honestly, it is. The hardest thing is getting started, getting the right mindset, and knowing where to start. I'll coach you on this service business where you can make a living, and for those of you who want to start a different service business, some of these tips and points can help you with your customer service or how to promote your service. Starting a house cleaning business can be a great opportunity if certain factors align with your skills, interests, and goals. Here are some ways to determine if it's right for you. 1. Enjoyment of cleaning. Do you genuinely enjoy cleaning? Passion for the work is important because you'll be spending a lot of time doing it. I've always enjoyed having a clean, organized house, clean car, and clean yard. It's my nature. I love having my surroundings clean. 2. Physical stamina. Cleaning can be physically demanding. You need to have the stamina to perform physical tasks repeatedly over long periods. One of my very first clients told me, house cleaning work is not for sissies. And so I'll give you this very same advice. House cleaning is not for sissies. If you're not ready to work hard, put in the work or don't appreciate working hard. The house cleaning business is not for you. 3. Attention to detail. Clients will expect high quality work. If you are detail oriented and take pride in providing thorough and consistent results, this can help your business thrive. Many of my clients appreciate it very much that I pay attention to details. For example, it's not just leaving everything clean, but it's trying to keep items exactly where they normally go and in its position. If you have to remove items off a surface top to clean it properly, when replacing the items back, wipe or dust those items before you put them back and try your best to put them back more or less how they were. If they have indoor plants but have been very busy and did not have time to water them, I help by watering the plants. If they have delivery boxes at the door, I bring them in and place the boxes where they can be seen by my clients when they get home. Paying attention to details pays off big. Most of the time, when you are asking for a raise, you will surely get one, and clients are more likely to tip you well for making their lives a little extra easier. 4. Customer service skills. Running a cleaning business involves working directly with clients. If you're good at communication and handling customer needs, it's a plus. This skill is of key importance to keep your business growing. I live by this motto: treat others as you want to be treated. It is more than being kind to others. It is about thinking about others in the way you want to be thought of, feeling about others in the way you want to be felt about, and speaking to others in the way you want to be spoken to. Think of how you felt the last time you called a person or company to do business with them. They were professional, punctual, polite, and had a plan ready to guide you to make a good decision in getting the work done properly for you. I bet you felt valued as a customer. I will add a video to explore more on this point to help you better your customer service skills. 5. Independence and self-discipline. Running any business requires self-motivation, especially if you'll be working solo. Are you disciplined enough to manage your time, maintain schedules, and meet deadlines? What helps me in this area is my mindset. I like being a learner. I enjoy being my own boss, and the goals I set for myself gives me that extra push, extra motivation, and discipline to want to go to work, to build my credit, buy my house, buy a car, and grow my business so I have a steady income coming to be able to pay all my bills and reach my financial monthly goals. 6. Willingness to learn business skills. Even if you're great at cleaning, running a business involves administrative tasks like accounting, marketing, and client management. Are you ready to learn these skills or hire help? Many of my friends call me Jack of all trades, and I would finish the saying by saying, and I'm master of none. I try to learn different things all the time, whether it's going to be hard work or something simple. But with all seriousness, I've learned that most successful people would tell you that they spend a percentage of their day learning something new, typically always searching for new opportunities to stay ahead of modern trends, achieve professional goals, and complete more challenging tasks. With technology at the tip of our fingers, we can learn to do many things, like business planning, accounting, marketing, client management through YouTube videos, Pinterest, blogs, and there are many people who are willing to do at home side jobs like accounting, digital marketing, and management that you can hire to help you with this area of your business. 7. Market demand. Research the demand for house cleaning services in your area. Is there competition? Is there a niche market you can target, like eco-friendly cleaning or specialized services? House cleaning business is growing. It's needed in every area. I offer my service in towns close by where I live here in California, like Rosamond, California City, Palmdale, Lancaster, Quartz Hill, Acton, Santa Clarita, etc. I normally drive about 10 to 40 minutes to get to my cleaning jobs. House cleaning competitions are almost everywhere. What you bring differently to the table will give you an edge to win over your competition. I made specialized cleaning bundle deals, like cleaning only bathrooms and kitchen, or instead of offering standard cleanings bi-weekly, I choose to offer deep cleanings once a month. I will further explain this point in another blog and video. 8. Financial readiness. Starting a business requires an initial investment for supplies, transportation, and marketing. Are you financially prepared, or do you have access to funding? When I got started, I used my very own vacuum, broom, and mop. I did buy about $60 of cleaning supplies, including a little bucket. Of course, you will need a car and gas for transportation or ride fees to get to the job. I advise you to do a research for a business license in your county or state. I decided to start my business service without getting a license, bond, and insured, but I was honest with my clients. I let them know up front if that was a problem for them. As I started to get clients, each payment, I set aside some cash to purchase better cleaning products like shock vacuum, broom, mop, and shock steamers. You can do the very same, and as you work and see your business growing, you can then also set aside some of your business profit to go to your county office to pay for your business license, insure your business, promote your business more, or pay to hire someone to keep the accounting of your business. 9. Flexibility and adaptability. Clients may have different needs, and sometimes you'll need to adjust your schedule or services. If you're flexible and open to change, it will be easier to succeed. To build and maintain your monthly business, you can use a simple planner calendar. In this area of my business, I made some serious mistakes. Yes, I was too flexible and too adaptable to help all my clients. Overworking to accommodate the needs of others or to reach one's goal without the proper balance in life can take a toll on one's physical, mental, and spiritual health. One of my mistakes I made was saying yes to everything a client needs and always accommodating the time they want, even if I'm the one working overtime and late hours. I've learned that if you do an excellent job, set your client's cleaning day and time, and let them know ahead of time, they will come to appreciate and respect your hard work and time. So, don't be afraid to say no at times. We know life happens, and from time to time you will have to be flexible and adapt to make changes, but keep in mind to have a good balance with your personal life and business. 10. Goal setting.
Consider your long-term goals. Do you want a small business, or do you plan to expand and hire staff? Having a clear vision will help guide your business decisions. It was two of us when I started this cleaning business. The business grew rapidly quick, and we split the business in two to be able to keep providing the same great quality cleaning service. Each of us then got our own cleaning business. I hired 3 workers and myself made it 4 of us cleaning daily. We would clean 3 to 4 houses per day. Small business, but it was very profitable and my workers got paid really well. Our work hours would be Monday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Tuesday 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., Wednesday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Thursday 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Both Saturday and Sunday business is closed. Our days off work. After 18 years, 2024, I'm working. Me, myself, and I. After years of working hard, it's time to kind of take it easy, cleaning 1 house per day. My goal is to stop my house cleaning business by June 2026. Vision your business for the first 2 years. Maybe you can work with someone else or by yourself with cleaning only 1 to 2 houses per day for your first 6 months. Then set higher goals each month, like gaining 10 more clients per month as you hire and train another person. I'll have more on this topic in another blog and video. Thinking through these aspects can give you a clearer picture of whether a house cleaning business is a good fit for you. Remember, I will be exploring some of these points in more detail in my other blogs and videos to give you better guidance into a house cleaning business. So, stay tuned, subscribe, like, or comment. As always, thanks a bunch for watching my video. I really hope it helps you in some way or the other. Stay bona fide and have a blessed day.